Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Jamaica's trade deficit saw a marginal reduction at the end of March this year, driven mainly by higher export earnings. For January to March this year, Statin says the difference between what is earned from exports and what was spent on imports was 1.37 billion US dollars. That's compared to a 1.45 billion US dollars $1.45 billion trade deficit for the same period last year. Now, in the 3 months, the country spent 1.9 billion US dollars on goods coming in versus 1.79 billion last year. This was due mainly to a 6.2% increase in the import of raw materials, intermediate goods, an 11% increase in consumer goods imports, and 15% more imports of capital goods. Now, on the export side, total earnings for March was 54.7% more than the 340 million US dollars earned last year. Now, the 527 million US dollars earned was due to a 64% increase in mineral fuel exports. Some company news. Sygnus Real Estate Finance says its One Belmont development is set for completion in September. The company says the $3.7 billion project is now about 87% complete. The 9-story commercial tower with 5 floors of commercial space was initially to be completed earlier this year. However, supply chain issues have delayed the project. Now, Sygnus says all of the available spaces have effectively been leased. And additionally, the company says the industrial warehouse facility on Spanish Town Road is 99% complete and it's received the security deposit based on a 10-year lease agreement. Sygnus says it is currently exiting investments valued at over 1.8 billion US dollars, and the company may consider paying its first dividend sometime during the 2023 calendar year. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.39. With a 10% jump, the Canadian dollar is selling for $10 jump rather. The Canadian dollar is selling for $128.03. The pound is selling for $202.94, while it's costing $173.75 for the euro. And the JSE Index gained 3,615 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 18 points. The 41 winners include Iron Rock Insurance Company, Guardian Holdings, and NCB Financial Group. The same week as the major leadership announcement has taken place, Consolidated Bakeries and Image Plus Consultants rounded out the top 5. There were also 41 decliners, and they include T-Tech, Epley 7.5% shares due 2024, Sygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican dollar shares, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, as well as VM Investments, now 18 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.